Hey, first grade, this is day 6 of Reading Mastery Language. So this is for my lions, my tigers, my bears, my cotton candies, and my popcorns. Today is day 6, so I don't know if you've already known this, but all your day 6 work is going to be in your week 2 packet. So you're done with your week 1. Make sure you send pictures of all that week 1 work to your check-in teacher. And now we're starting on the week 2 work. Even though it's Wednesday, it's in the middle of the week, we're switching over to week 2. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need, and it's in your week 2 packet, is your fluency. It's called test questions. So if you do not have this out yet, I need you to pause the video and go get your week 2 packet and flip to your test questions fluency page. If you need to pause the video, do it now. If not, I'm going to keep going, okay? But you need to have this fluency in front of you so you can grow your brain. Okay, so I'm going to read this by myself at first. You are going to follow along with your finger and your eyes, okay? Here I go. Test questions. Emily looked at her math test. There were many red marks. She didn't understand. She had studied every night for weeks. The questions didn't seem that hard. How could she get 15 wrong? Emily began to check her answers. She wanted to learn from her mistakes. When she finished, she was even more confused. Her answers still seemed right. Emily took the test to her teacher. Oh, my time's up. Okay, so I made it to the word teacher, so I made it to around 66 words. Let's see if we can go even faster together, okay? So reading fingers up in 3, 2, 1. Down in 3, 2, 1. Make sure your finger is underneath the title of the story and your eyes are tracking. Read with me. Get ready. Test questions. Emily looked at her math test. There were many red marks. She didn't understand. She had studied every night for weeks. The questions didn't seem that hard. How could she get 15 wrong? Emily began to check her answers. She wanted to learn from her mistakes. When she finished, she was even more confused. Her answers still seemed right. Emily took the test to her teacher. Oh, we got to the same word, to teacher. Let's see if you can get further when you read by yourself. I'm going to set a timer for 1 minute. You're going to read as fast as you can. If you don't know a word, sound it out. If you still don't know it, skip it. Reading fingers up in 3, 2, 1. Down in 3, 2, 1. One hand flat, one hand tracking. Ready, set, and go. Good. Make sure that finger's tracking. Read, read, read. You got this. If you get to the bottom, go back to the top. You got this. Keep going. Time's up. Freeze your finger. Wherever you ended up, circle that word so when your teacher calls you, she can ask you how many words you read, okay? Great job with your fluency. Now we're going to get into our map review. Ooh, these are some funny pictures. Okay. When I take the map test, I read the question 2 times. My turn. How many syllables? Let me read it again. How many syllables? This word is cow. This word is, yes, cow. When I take the map test, I look at every answer choice. So let's go look. 1 syllable, 2 syllables, or 3 syllables. Okay, let's figure it out. How many syllables are in the word cow? Remember, for syllables, we clap it out. For syllables, we do what? Clap it out. So clap out the word cow. Get ready. Cow. Let's try it again. Get ready. Cow. How many times did we clap? We clapped 1 time, right? So that's 1 syllable. But before I go and click that, let's make sure. Let's double check. Let me try again. Cow. Cow. Yeah, 1 syllable. Okay. So I'm going to click and next. Click and next and next. Okay. When I take the map test, I read the question 2 times. How many syllables? Let me read it again. How many syllables? This word is van. What word? Get ready. Yes, van. When I take the map test, I look at every answer choice. 1 syllable, 2 syllable, 3 syllable. The word van. With syllables, we clap it out. With syllables, we do what? Yes, clap out the word van. Get ready. Van, right? Let me try it again. Van. 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 How many syllables do you think it is? I think it's 1, but when I take the map test, I always ask myself, does my answer make sense? So let's double check. Van. Yeah, there's only 1 syllable. So we can go click and next. Click and next and next. Click and next. Okay, say way to go, Wes. Way to go, Wes. We're so smart. We're so smart. We're going to crush our math goals. We're going to crush our math goals. So we did our fluency, say check. We did our map review, say check. Now we're going to get into our lesson. We are on lesson 89. We are on lesson 89. We're going to talk about classification. Say classification. Okay, today we're going to talk about a rocking chair. What are we going to talk about? Get ready. Yes, a rocking chair. You know, it's one of those wooden things that you sit in and you rock in. We can put a rocking chair into 4 different classes. Oh, let me get my whiteboard for this. We're going to need the whiteboard. We can put a rocking chair into 4 different classes. What is the smallest class for a rocking chair? Get ready. Rocking chairs. What is the smallest class for a rocking chair? Get ready. Yes, rocking chairs. What is the next bigger class? Get ready. Chairs. Yes, chairs. So say rocking chairs. Chairs. What is the next bigger class? Rocking chairs, chairs. What is the next bigger class? Get ready. Furniture. What is the next bigger class? Get ready. Yes, furniture. Say rocking chairs, 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 furniture, furniture. Say rocking chairs, chairs, furniture. But there's an even bigger class we can put a rocking chair into. That bigger class is things made of wood. That big class is things made of wood. What is that big class? You ready? Yes, that big class is things made of wood. So we have the smallest classes: rocking chairs, chairs, furniture, things made of wood. There's only one kind of object you'd be able to find in all 4 of these classes. What is that one object you would be able to find in all 4 of these classes? Get ready. Yes, a rocking chair. What is that one object you'd be able to find in all 4 classes? Get ready. Yes, a rocking chair. Okay, so now I have some questions. Think about the classes. We have rocking chairs, chairs, furniture, things made of wood. Those are our 4 classes, right? Would you find a folding chair in all 4 classes? Would you find a folding chair? Think about it. Would you find a folding chair in rocking chairs, in furniture, and in things made of wood? Would you find a folding chair in all 4 classes? Yes or no? Get ready. No. You would not find a folding chair in the class of rocking chairs, right? Because it's not a rocking chair. You would not find a folding chair in the class of rocking chairs. You would find a folding chair in the class of chairs. You would find a folding chair in the class of furniture. And you would find a folding chair in things made of wood if the folding chair is made out of wood, right? So, my original question, would you find a folding chair in all 4 classes? Yes or no? Get ready. No. What are the 3 classes you would find a folding chair in? Get ready. Chairs, furniture, things made of wood. I agree. Okay. What's the next question? Would you find a wooden table in all 4 classes? Would you find a wooden table in all 4 classes? Would you find a wooden table in rocking chairs? Would you find a wooden table in chairs? Would you find a wooden table in furniture? And would you find a wooden table in things made of wood? Would you find them in all 4 classes? Yes or no? Get ready. No, you would not. You would not find a wooden table in the class of chairs because it's not a chair. Or sorry, in the class of rocking chairs because it's not a rocking chair. You would not find a wooden table in the class of chairs because it's not a chair. However, you would find a wooden table in the class of furniture, and you would find a wooden table in the class of things made out of wood. What are the 2 classes that you would find a wooden table in? Get ready. Furniture and things made of wood. Your turn, get ready. And yes, furniture and things made of wood. Okay. Great job. Now, I'm going to give you 2 clues about an object you already know, but I'm going to call it a silly name. I'm going to call it a meal. I'm going to call it a what? Yes, a meal. Okay. Clue number 1. Meal is a day of the week. Your turn, get ready. Yes, meal is a day of the week. Clue number 2. Meal always comes after Sunday. Say that clue with me, get ready. Meal always comes after Sunday. So we know meal is a day of the week and it comes after Sunday. Meal is a day of the week and it comes after Sunday. What is meal? Get ready. Monday. Because we know it's a day of the week and it comes after Sunday. So Sunday, Monday. Sunday, Monday. Meal is a day of the week. Meal comes after Sunday. What is meal? Get ready. Yes, Monday. Here's another one. I'm going to call this thing a cruist. Say cruist. Get ready. Yes, cruist. Clue number 1. Cruist is an action. Remember, actions are something you do. Say cruist is an action. Clue number 2. When you cruist, you look at words in a book. So cruist is an action. It's something you do. And when you cruist, you look at words in a book like this. It's an action, and you look at words in a book when you're doing it. What is cruist? Get ready. Reading. Yes, because it's an action. Can you read? Yes, it's something you do. And when you read, you look at words in a book, right? So what is cruist? Get ready? Yes, reading. Okay, now we're going to talk about synonyms. Mirrors on. A synonym is a word. A synonym is a word that means the same thing. That means the same thing as another word. As another word. Mirrors off. What do we call a word that means the same thing as another word? Get ready. A synonym. Okay, listen. I'm going to make up statements, and then you are going to say the statement that means the same thing, but you're going to use a synonym, okay? So I'm going to say some statements, then you're going to say statements that mean the same thing, but use a synonym. My statement is, the horse is well. Say my statement. You ready? Yes, the horse is well. A synonym for well is healthy. What is a synonym for well? Get ready? Yes, healthy. So I said the horse is well. You say the statement that means the same thing, but use a synonym. The horse is, get ready. Yes, the horse is healthy. I said the horse is well. You said the horse is healthy. They mean the same thing. Say well, healthy are synonyms. Okay, yes, so let's try it again. Let's see if you can do it all by yourself. I'm going to say a statement. You say the statement that means the same thing, but use a synonym. I said the horse is well. You say a statement that means the same thing, but use a synonym. Get ready. Yes, the horse is healthy. Okay, calendar facts, calendar facts. It's time for calendar facts, calendar facts, calendar facts. It's time for calendar facts. Woo. How many days are in a week? Get ready. 7. How many days are in a week? Get ready. Yes, 7. Say the 7 days of the week. Start with Sunday. Get ready. My turn. Get ready. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Say the days of the week. Get ready. Good. Those are the days of the week. Remember, there's 7 days in a week. How many weeks are in a year? How many weeks are in a year? Get ready. My turn. 52. How many weeks are in a year? Get ready. Yes, 52. Say the whole fact. Get ready. Yes, there are 52 weeks in a year. How many days are in a whole year? How many days are in a whole year? Get ready. 365. How many days are in a whole year? Get ready. Yes, 365. Say the whole fact. Get ready. Yes, there are 365 days in a year. How many seasons are in a year? Get ready. 4. How many seasons are in a year? Get ready. Yes, 4. Say the 4 seasons. Start with winter. Get ready. My turn. Get ready. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Your turn. Get ready. Good. Winter, spring, summer, fall. How many months are in a year? How many months are in a year? Get ready. 12. How many months are in a year? Get ready. Yes, 12. Say the months of the year. Get ready. January. My turn. You can say it with me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Okay. Now we're going to move on. Say who, what, when, where, why. Listen to the story. The woman was digging in her garden. She dug up a lot of carrots. Her hands got very dirty. Before the woman washed her hands, she gave her rabbit a carrot. Listen to the story again. The woman was digging in her garden. She dug up a lot of carrots. Her hands got very dirty. Before the woman washed her hands, she gave her rabbit a carrot. Tell me why the woman's hands got dirty. Why did her hands get dirty? Her hands got dirty because, get ready. Yes, her hands got dirty because she was digging, right? Everybody, tell me, who did the woman give a carrot to? Get ready. Yes, her rabbit. Who did the woman give a carrot to? Get ready. Yes, her rabbit. Did the woman give the rabbit a carrot before she washed her hands or after she washed her hands? Did the woman give the rabbit a carrot before she washed her hands or after she washed her hands? Get ready. Yes, before she washed her hands. Listen to the story. Before the woman washed her hands, she gave her rabbit a carrot. So did she give her rabbit a carrot before she washed her hands or after she washed her hands? Get ready. Yes, before she washed her hands. Tell me, where was the woman in the story? Where was the woman? Get ready. In her garden. Listen to the first line. The woman was digging in her garden. Where was the woman? Get ready. Yes, in her garden. Now tell me what the woman gave to her rabbit. What did the woman give to her rabbit? Get ready. Yes, a carrot. Okay. We are almost done. Say, that's absurd. Okay, listen to the statements and figure out what is absurd about it. Her horse cooked dinner for her. Her horse cooked dinner for her. Say the statement. You ready? Her horse cooked dinner for her. What is absurd about that statement? You can just say it to the screen, say it into your little phone. What is absurd about that statement? Go ahead. It is absurd because yeah, it is absurd because a horse cannot cook dinner. That doesn't make any sense. That's silly. Okay, listen to the next statement. He carried his lemonade home in his glove. Let me say it again. He carried his lemonade home in his glove. Say the statement with me. Get ready? He carried his lemonade home in his glove. What is absurd about that statement? You can just start talking. It's absurd because yeah. No, it's absurd because you can't carry lemonade in a glove. That's silly. That doesn't make any sense, right? Say that's absurd. Okay. We just passed our lesson. We just passed our lesson. We just passed our lesson. And we are really great. Hey, what do? Cross it out. What do? Cross it out. Say bye 89. Bye 89. See you never. See you never. Say hello 90. We are moving along. I'm so proud of y'all. Please remember to do your language worksheet. That is in your week 2, day 6 packet. And please send me or your check-in teacher pictures of your work, okay? Bye, y'all.